Once you get to a corner, the normal solution would of course be to have one post in each side of the corner. What we have is the barrier bracket 360 that enables us to use a single post corner solution. Once we get to the corner there, we need to add the barrier bracket 360 to the post. For this type of corner, it's very important that we have the barrier lock on the inside of the post so that we're not putting it outside of the post. Goes onto there. Then we've successfully made a solution to have a one post corner going into place. Now this is a full support of the barrier, post and everything, creating a one post corner solution.